The world of work as we know it is collapsing, quietly but rapidly. In just the past 3 years, AI has outperformed humans in data analysis, copywriting, customer support, coding, and even law. OpenAI's GPT models are now passing professional exams, designing software, and making strategic decisions once reserved for executives. According to a study by McKinsey, by 2030, up to 800 million jobs could disappear because of automation and AI. That's almost one-fifth of the global workforce. Factories that once echoed with human voices are now filled with robotic arms. Call centers have been replaced by chatbots that never sleep. And soon, even creative fields, filmmaking, music, journalism, may not need humans at all. Think about it. Once, typing or designing were skills. Now AI tools do them in seconds. The race is no longer about effort, it's about adaptation. But as the traditional economy crumbles, something new is quietly building in the digital shadows. An economy that doesn't depend on offices, bosses, or banks. The rise and crash of crypto dreams. When Bitcoin appeared in 2009, it wasn't just a new form of money, it was a rebellion. A message to the system that control could be decentralized. No government, no central bank, no manipulation, just math and freedom. For a moment, that dream felt unstoppable. People quit their jobs to invest. Teenagers became millionaires. The world imagined a borderless economy where everyone could be their own bank. But as always, greed entered the picture. Scams, hacks, and poorly managed exchanges like FTX shattered public trust. Bitcoin crashed. Coins vanished overnight. People who once believed in a financial revolution now called it a scam. And so the narrative changed. From crypto will change the world to crypto is dead. But here's the truth no one saw coming. Crypto didn't die. It evolved. Just like the internet survived the dot-com crash, crypto is shedding its reckless past and maturing into something far more powerful. Because now, crypto isn't just about money. It's about technology, ownership, and freedom in an AI-driven world. When AI meets blockchain, the digital fusion. Today, something extraordinary is happening. AI and blockchain, two of the most disruptive technologies ever created, are merging. Imagine this. An AI model that analyzes global markets, predicts future trends, and executes trades on the blockchain with no human interference. Or decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, AI-driven communities that manage entire businesses without CEOs, managers, or offices. These systems are not fantasy, they're already live. Projects like SingularityNet and Fetch.ai are proving that AI and blockchain can combine to create self-sustaining digital economies. In this new world, companies don't employ people. They connect contributors globally, paying them directly in crypto for their skills. No paperwork, no intermediaries, just value, instantly exchanged. This fusion is rewriting the rules of capitalism. AI provides intelligence, blockchain provides trust. Together, they form the backbone of a new kind of economy, the autonomous economy. The shift from employment to empowerment. Let's face it, the 9-to-5 system is dying. For over a century, people traded their time for money. But now AI doesn't get tired, doesn't need vacations, and doesn't demand raises. So where does that leave us? It leaves us with a choice: to compete with AI or to collaborate with it. History teaches us that every technological revolution destroys old jobs but creates new opportunities. The Industrial Revolution killed farming but birthed factories, but birthed e-commerce. Now AI and crypto will kill traditional jobs, but will create digital independence. Instead of working for companies, we'll work with technology. Instead of waiting for promotions, we'll build personal brands, digital products, and decentralized careers. Already, millions of freelancers earn in crypto. Artists sell NFTs instead of paintings. Educators run AI-powered online academies. This is not unemployment. This is evolution. It's a shift from employment to empowerment. The divide. Winners and losers of the new age. But let's be real. Not everyone will benefit. Just like the internet created billionaires while millions lost their jobs. And this revolution will separate humanity into two groups. Those who understand and use AI plus crypto. Those who are replaced and left behind. The winners will be people who learn fast, adapt faster, and build value around technology instead of resisting it. They'll use AI as their assistant, not their enemy. They'll use crypto as a tool of ownership, not speculation. The losers, on the other hand, will hold on to the past, waiting for stability in a world that no longer has any. Because here's the truth. The era of job security is gone forever, but the era of skill security is just beginning. Governments, control, and the battle for power. As this transformation unfolds, one massive conflict is rising: the fight between centralization and freedom. Governments around the world are introducing central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, a form of digital money that looks like crypto, but isn't. Unlike Bitcoin, CBDCs are completely centralized. Every transaction can be tracked, monitored, and even reversed. Supporters say it's for safety and convenience, but critics warn it's the perfect tool for control. Imagine a world where every payment you make can be approved or denied by an algorithm, where your financial freedom is conditional. This is why crypto's true value isn't speculation, it's sovereignty. It's the right to own your own money, data, and identity in a world ruled by digital systems. So the battle isn't just about technology, it's about who controls the future: centralized power or decentralized freedom. Humanity's crossroads: fear or evolution. Every revolution begins with fear. When machines replaced horses, people feared extinction. When computers replaced typewriters, people feared unemployment. And now, AI threatens to replace humans entirely. But here's the truth: technology doesn't destroy humanity, it reveals it. It pushes us to evolve, to do what only humans can: create, imagine, and connect. The future belongs to those who use AI to amplify creativity, not replace it. To those who use crypto to build communities, not chase quick profits. The question isn't whether jobs will end, it's whether you will adapt. Because the age of machines doesn't mean the end of humans. It means the rise of a smarter, freer, and more self-reliant generation. The dawn of a new era. So where does this all lead? We are standing on the edge of a transformation bigger than the internet, bigger than industry. A digital civilization where value, work, and identity are redefined. In this new world, AI will think, blockchain will verify, and humans will innovate. Imagine a society where you earn in crypto for teaching online, creating digital art, or training AI models. Where your creativity, not your position, determines your income. Where your identity lives on a secure digital ledger, free from banks or bureaucracy. This isn't a fantasy, it's already happening. And those who understand it now will be the pioneers of the next economy. The old world of jobs is fading, but the new world, powered by intelligence and independence, is being born. This isn't the end, it's a beginning. The beginning of a new era, one where power shifts from systems back to people. Final message. So is this the end of jobs? Maybe. Is it the end of crypto? Not even close. In fact, this might just be the moment both collide to shape the next chapter of human civilization. The real question is, will you fear the change or lead it? Because the future doesn't wait for anyone. It rewards those who adapt, learn, and dare to build. This is not the end of jobs, it's the end of limits, and the beginning of everything.